using the wrong glue? Let's fix that. Artists often need more than one type of glue, so here's your guide. Thermoplastic glue, aka hot glue. The very first glue was a hot melt adhesive, prehistoric birch tar. But if you can't find a birch tree, a hot glue gun is great for crafts, displays, and quick fixes. Archival PVA Glue. This white glue won't yellow over time. It's a long-term stable adhesive that bonds porous materials like fabric, paper, and board. Dilute it for canvas sizing or even mix it into gouache to reduce re-wetting. Wood glue. Not for paper, but a must for frames and structural builds because it soaks into the grain for a tight bond. Epoxy. If you need strength, 2-part epoxy bonds metal, plastic, and ceramic better than anything. Spray adhesive. Archival spray is a wrinkle-free, no-mess, dry mount option. It's a safer alternative to rubber cement. Starch Adhesive and Glue Sticks. Low moisture and perfect for mounting papers to boards without distortion. Great for bookbinding and scrapbooks. Acrylic mediums. Not technically glues, but gloss gel mounts canvas to panel with ease, and gloss medium is ideal for collage and sealing. And then there's Superglue, a studio staple for emergency repairs. Bottom line, no single glue does it all. Keep your kit stocked with the right adhesive for the right job.